He's losing control. We're on an off ramp. He's lost control, faced the wrong way. Get out of the car! Get out of the car right now!
Right, 59. 68 out from front.
10-060, I have a vehicle that's interfering. It's a gray Infinity. We're back eastbound 90.
Great, interfering, eastbound 96.
The male driver, he looks Hispanic, he's light skin, black hair, with a red and black jacket.
Driver with a red and black jacket to the front.
And there's two vehicles now, and this is a Infinity right in front of me trying to interfere from his pursuit. We're about 100 miles an hour. The fleet vehicle's in lane 1.
Zero, I'm with them, and I see the Infinity as well.
The Honda has a flat tire, the rear right tire is flat. This car is falling apart from the rear bumper.
Honda has a flat tire falling apart too.
Exiting the high point. Sorry, we're coming from Highlands when I originally stopped him. He yelled out the window that he has a kid and he's losing control. We're on an off ramp. He's lost control, faced the wrong way.
Can't hear me.
206, the vehicle is lost control, exiting to High Point from Highlands. Subject to the child in vehicle 23.
We have my patrol car. Now he's going westbound and eastbound lanes, and there is a kid in the vehicle, and there's another female who's in the passenger seat.
So start a rolling, slow down. So just yep.
Do not follow the wrong way. Try to follow the right way, and hopefully we'll get it set up again. They come back westbound from High Point. I tipped over, take it from the correct lanes of traffic.
1268, we're starting a rolling, slow down. Okay, there it is right there. Okay, easy, easy. It's spinning out. Now it's facing the right way, it's in the ditch. Go, go, go.
What's the traffic?
Yep, looks like I got one WSP to, looks like Seattle's lane department. They're stopping right here, South Elmore Place. Just over the train tracks. Vehicle stopped. The connector's calling someone.
Starting when advising vehicle stop. Commitment suddenly stop, please sit.
Got the driver door open. Looks like passenger door open as well. Hands are up.
Starting when advising driver door open, hands are up, please sit.
Which side channel?
Which one?
They're taking the passenger in custody and they're still talking to the driver. And they're taking both into custody right now.
Starting when advising taking both into custody. He's connecting a felony stop with 511.